Google Docs is an online word processor included as part of the free, web-based Google Docs Editors suite offered by Google, which also includes Google Sheets, Google Slides, Google Drawings, Google Forms, Google Sites, and Google Keep. Google Docs is accessible via an internet browser as a web-based application and is also available as a mobile app on Android and iOS and as a desktop application on Google's Chrome OS. Google Docs allows users to create and edit documents online while collaborating with other users in real time. Edits are tracked by user with a revision history presenting changes. An editor's position is highlighted with an editor-specific color and cursor, and a permissions system regulates what users can do. Updates have introduced features using machine learning, including Explore, offering search results based on the contents of a document, and action items, allowing users to assign tasks to other users. Google Docs supports opening and saving documents in the standard Open Document format as well as in rich text format, plain Unicode text, zipped HTML, and Microsoft Word. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.